I'm Barack from the Coin Compass, and it's time to uncover the top 7 side hustles that can make you rich. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with number 1 on our list, running a Telegram channel. You might think Telegram is just for messaging, but it's also a goldmine for savvy entrepreneurs. Imagine owning a channel with thousands or even millions of subscribers. You can monetize it through platforms like Telega.io and the official Telegram ads platform. Once your channel grows, you can reinvest your profits to create new channels and expand your empire. Take the story of this channel called iPapcorn. This is one of the biggest channels listed on Telega.io with over 3 million subscribers. Advertising on this channel for the shortest period costs almost $200, letting the channel owner generate around $5,000 a month with zero effort. Next up, number 2, YouTube content creation. Many people think YouTube can help them make some extra cash, but the reality is it can make you rich. However, it won't happen overnight. Look at Marques Brownlee, aka MKBHD. He started reviewing gadgets in his bedroom as a teenager. Fast forward, and he's now one of the most respected tech reviewers on YouTube, making millions from ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. The key? Consistency, high-quality content, and engaging with your audience. If you've got a passion and a camera, YouTube could be your path to wealth. Coming in at number 3, running a blog. If you think blogging is a thing of the past, think again. A blog can begin with just a few Google AdSense ads and expand into a multi-million-dollar venture through affiliate links, online courses, email marketing, and more. Take Tim Ferriss, for instance. His blog, The 4-Hour Workweek, started as a platform focusing on lifestyle design and optimizing productivity. Over time, it grew into a powerhouse, generating massive income through various monetization strategies like book sales and speaking engagements. If you can drive organic traffic to your blog, the earning potential is enormous. Number 4 on the list, starting a podcast. It may sound easy, but running a podcast is considered a tough side hustle. However, it can be incredibly profitable and make you rich in the future. Joe Rogan's podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, started in 2009 as a fun side project and turned into a multi-million-dollar empire. Podcasts can be monetized through sponsorships, listener donations, premium content, and merchandise. If you've got a unique voice and can consistently create engaging content, podcasting might just be your goldmine. Rolling in at number 5, running a dropshipping e-commerce website. Dropshipping can be one of the ideal passive income streams. However, it can be challenging to succeed due to the high level of competition. If you are serious about this side hustle, you must define your niche and build a strong brand. Take Sarah Crisp, the founder of Wholesale TED. She has successfully built an e-commerce education platform by providing valuable content and establishing a strong brand. With over 1.16 million YouTube subscribers, she focuses on teaching dropshipping and e-commerce strategies. Her estimated net worth is between $1 to $2 million, derived from her e-com Clubhouse subscription service, YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and online courses. Her story proves that with the right niche and branding, dropshipping can become a lucrative side hustle. At number 6, investing. Whether it's investing in properties, cryptocurrencies, stocks, or other assets, the right investments can make you rich. Look at Warren Buffett, who started investing in stocks as a teenager and is now one of the richest people in the world. The key is to do your research, understand the market, and invest wisely. With patience and smart investments, this side hustle can build substantial wealth over time. And finally, number 7, starting a small business. Sometimes the best side hustle is simply starting a small business that has the potential to grow into a monster. Consider Jamie Kern Lima, who co-founded IT Cosmetics in her living room. She saw a gap in the market for makeup that worked for all skin types and turned her small business into a billion-dollar empire before selling it to L'Oreal. The secret? Identify a need, offer a unique solution, and scale your business smartly. So there you have it, the top 7 side hustles that can make you rich. Each of these hustles has the potential to turn your spare time into serious cash with the right dedication and strategy. Ready to start your side hustle journey? Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the Coin Compass for more tips on navigating your financial journey. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos to financial freedom. Now that you know the top side hustles, make sure to check out our video on The Sad Truth About Affiliate Marketing to discover whether it's your right path to financial success. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.